How to cancel VIP membership on Fabletics. Now in this video, I'm going to be providing you additional information on how you can cancel VIP membership on Fabletics. Now the very first instance that you have subscribed into either of the subscriptions available on Fabletics, it has its own specific inclusions. But for you to be able to cancel it, here's the quick catch. So if you go straight into the homepage of Fabletics, you should be able to see this option here that says it's up to you to skip by the 5th of every month to avoid 69.95 charge for your membership benefits, which includes a monthly member credit. So you just have to take note of every 5th of each month of your calendar for you to be able to cancel it before the 5th so that you won't be charged for the VIP membership. And that is how you cancel a VIP membership on Fabletics.